Hey, what's up? Welcome to third episode of Anybody Can Cook. I am Deep Chakraborty. Let's start. When we talk about some international rice preparation, risotto is the most important in all over the world. Also, we have paella from Spain and arroz from Mexico. They both are rice preparation. Risotto is the Italian rice preparation. In India, rice means pieces of God. Rice have a big culture in India. Today I am talking about how to make prawns risotto. Let's go for the ingredient. Arborio rice, onion chopped, fresh thyme, extra virgin olive oil, white wine, stock or water, prawns, butter, cream, salt, pepper, pilate for tomato sauce and the Parmesan cheese. Let's see how I make. Take a heavy bottom pan. Add some extra virgin olive oil on it. Heat it. Add some chopped onion and saute it. Add some arborio rice. When you take a good arborio rice, then you know the difference between the texture and the taste. Add some fresh thyme. Fresh thyme gives good aroma in risotto. Add white wine and reduce it. White wine gives the good flavor in rice. It's a traditional way. When wine reduce, then add the stock or water. Stock means the clear cooking liquor of the veg or fish bone or meat bone cooked till al dente. Add some salt in the rice. Do separately, marinate the prawns and grill it. With some butter and fresh herbs, remove the prawns. And add the al dente rice in same pan. Because extra fat of grilled prawns give the good aroma in the rice. Make the tomato sauce in other pan. Add the cream in tomato sauce. Cream gives the creamy texture with some tangy flavor in tomato sauce. Add some tomato sauce in the rice. Finish with some salt, pepper, butter and the Parmesan cheese. Your risotto will be ready. Serve it in your own way. In this video, I am finished with the prawns on the top of the rice, but you can add all the prawns on cooking time on the rice. One more thing, I am using the tomato sauce on the base But you can add all tomato sauce in the rice. Make your own risotto and serve it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. If you are enjoying my video, please subscribe my channel.